Hello again, everyone. It's Vince Forer from TradingWinds.com, and this is our update for January 26th, 2017. Let's take a quick look at today's markets. Well, intraday, we hit fresh new record highs. The Dow made it up to 20,058 here, but closing mostly lower by the end of the session. The Dow did manage a gain of 32 points, mostly on the back of Goldman Sachs again. The S&P 500 was actually down about 1.5 points after hitting those record highs, and the Nasdaq was down 1 point as well. So closing fairly flat. The Russell down a little more, down about 7 points here at the close. TLT managed a gain of about 40 cents. It had a nice bounce after trading lower intraday, while gold continues to retreat down about 8 points today, right back to that 20-period moving average. Crude had a nice bounce. It was up about 1 point today, almost 2%, while the yen here pulling back, and the dollar bouncing nicely. Let me show you the dollar index chart here. Here, the tug-of-war continues. And the reason why I say a tug-of-war, if we look at this on multiple time frames, you're going to see a very different picture. You'll see on the daily here, we have downward momentum, but today bounced strongly and put in a bullish engulfing pattern here. Now, this is known as a reversal signal. It could just be kicking off a retracement back to this downsloping 20 before a bigger drop. But for now, it looks like we could be headed higher near term, while the weekly, you can see, retracing, but has upward momentum here. It has very strong upward momentum. It got back to that 20 and bounced nicely. Let me zoom in and give you a closer look. So, if we break these highs for the week, we should be headed higher. This is a nice classic 5-bar retracement here. It looks really good. And then you go to the monthly, and we're putting in this bearish engulfing setup, which is a reversal and should cause us to pull back here a little. So a very mixed picture overall, and in the days ahead it'll all work itself out, but that tug of war continues. Now, after market close, a slew of big name earnings. Microsoft, which beat handily, but it was only up about 38 cents after hours. Google taking it on the chin, though. It came in $9.36 a share compared to an estimate of $9.64. They were getting slapped around pretty good, down about 20 points after hours. Starbucks missing as well. Their same store sales were actually the lowest since 2009, I believe. They're down over 2 points after hours. And Intel, which beat but was completely flat after hours. I think they were down a penny or so. I saw them. So it'll be interesting to see where all of those open tomorrow and how that's going to affect the overall market. But certainly mostly lower after a slew of earnings after hours. That's about it for now. Enjoy the rest of your day, and we will see you on our next update.